Don't you step on the flowers. Layla.
Don't even talk to me.
Oh, wow, that's a heavy sack. Oh my goodness.
And he turns to his cycle now.
喵，这狗啊！